Hello, and welcome to Rosroff Gadgets and Electronics channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about computer repair and how to keep your computer running like new. First, let's talk about some common issues that can occur with computers. Whether you have a PC or a laptop, one of the most common problems is a slow computer. This can be caused by a variety of things, such as a cluttered hard drive, too many programs running at once, or even malware. Another common issue is a broken or cracked laptop screen. This can be a frustrating problem, but it doesn't necessarily mean you have to buy a new laptop. Many laptop screen replacements can be done relatively easily and inexpensively. If you're experiencing any of these issues or any other problems with your computer, our team of experts can help. We offer a wide range of services, including computer repair, laptop repair, PC repair, data recovery, virus removal, computer troubleshooting, computer maintenance and computer upgrade. Our computer repair services include everything from basic troubleshooting to advanced data recovery and virus removal. We also offer laptop screen replacement and PC optimization services to help keep your computer running at its best. If you're experiencing any issues with your computer, don't hesitate to contact us at our website www.rosroffconsulting.com. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing the best service and getting your computer running like new again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rosroff Gadgets and Electronics for more helpful videos on computer repair and maintenance.